Hello everyone, I am Bhumika Jain, Equity Research Associate at Desvelado Advisory. We are back with the series of Noisemaker in which we share 3 listed companies which have small market cap on the basis of analysis which have good prospects. Today's 3 companies are Resden Limited, Avantel Limited and third is Chamanlal CT Exports Limited. So we are starting with Resden Limited. Company is engaged in the manufacturing of pyrolysis oil. What is pyrolysis oil? It is used as a substitute of furnace oil. Furnace oil is a petroleum based fuel which is used for heating, power generation and other applications. Company basically manufacture it from all kinds of plastic waste, which is known as Plaseco, and Plaseco may use byproducts like carbon in place of coal and gas in place of LPG. Company recently has entered into the partnership with Go Neutral Technologies Private Limited. This will strengthen the company's EPR services, positioning it as the key provider of compliance solutions for top brands like Microsoft India, Lenovo, Parle Group. Okay, talking about the future outlook, company is poised to play an increasing crucial role in India's environmental transformation by projecting to produce 20 million liters of Plaseco by the end of 2024. The company remains committed to driving innovations in waste management, fostering new partnerships, geographical expansion, product diversification, and supporting businesses in this journey towards environmental sustainability. Coming to their financials, there is 93% revenue growth year on year in financial year 2025. However, margins have decreased significantly. EBITDA margins has decreased from 43.7% to 33%, and the net profit margins has also decreased year on year at 14%. Look at the price chart of the company. Company's share price increased from rupees 45 to 156 in a matter of 2 years, giving an investor return of 246%, which is a very quite good return. Okay, moving on to Avantel Limited. Company is engaged in the business of designing, developing and maintaining wireless and satellite communication products, defense electronics, radar systems. Radar systems are between the 30 MHz and 53 MHz, and developing network management software applications for its customers, majorly from the aerospace and defense sectors. Company has many clients like including Indian Army, ISRO and Boeing. It also delivers innovative solutions for military and commercial applications, positioning itself as the key player in India's defense technology sector. It has recently received a purchase order worth rupees 9 crores from New Space India Limited for supply and installation and commissioning of ground segment hub, which is approximately 4.40% of Avantel's revenue in financial year 2024. That was the previous year's revenue. Looking for the future outlook of the company, it has strong order in the financial year 2025, suggesting continued growth potential. It is also establishing a new R&D department and production center, which is 30,000 square feet on 2 acres, expected to be operational by third quarter of financial year 2025. Coming to the financials, there is 2% revenue fall year on year in financial year 2024, but the margins have improved significantly. EBITDA margins has increased from 32% to 38%, and the net profit margins has also increased 19 to 24%. Took a look at the price chart for the company. The share price of the company has moved from 18% to 174% in a period of 2 years, giving it a return of 866%. Lastly, let's take a look at Chamanlal CT Exports Limited. It specializes in milling and processing of raw and parboiled basmati rice. Its product portfolio includes Maharani basmati rice, parboiled. Parboiled is basically converted or muzza basmati rice, that we say, or raw or polished basmati rice or basmati healthcare rice. Talking about the future outlook for the company, CLSE's business profile will continue to improve over the medium term, driven by strong presence in the export market. Company also expects better EBITDA margins in the near future, and current EBITDA margins we'll talk about in the financials. Currently there is 5% revenue fall year on year in financial year 2024, but the margins have remained same. EBITDA margins is stable at 9% and net profit margins is stable at 6%. Taking a look at the price chart, company's share price went from rupees 113 to 241 in 2 years, giving a approximate return of 113%. That's also quite good return. Okay, that's all for today. Please check out our Noisemaker link in the description below.